Welcome back to my channel. Today mag-solve tayo ng right triangle inscribed in a circle. A circle having a radius of 9 cm circumscribe a right triangle whose area is 43.23 square centimeter. If one of the sides is 18 cm long, another sides are. Yan, here, hinahanap natin ang sides ng right triangle which is inscribed in a circle. So, sinasabi diyan na ang circle circumscribe a right triangle. So, dito, may given na tayo na area ng right triangle which is 43.23 square centimeter. So, pwede natin ma-solve using the formula of the right triangle which is equal to 1/2 the base times the height, which is equal to 1/2 here, x times y. Represent natin ang base at saka height ng x and y. Therefore, substituting the values of the area of this right triangle will result to y is equal to 86.46 over x. Now, isang ano natin yan, isang equation natin yan. So, still we have to solve kasi ito ang hinahanap natin, x and y. So, because ano ito right triangle, so we can use Pythagorean theorem which states that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So, here, r is 18, x and y. So, substituting the value of r, which is 18, and y, which is 86.46 over x, will result to this equation, which is x to the 4th power minus 324x squared plus 7475.33 is equal to 0. So, from this equation, paano naman natin ma-solve ang x? So, kasi kung maalala natin ang quadratic formula which states that x is equal to the minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a kung ganito ang resulta ng equation to the second power. Therefore, pwede natin yan gagamitan. So, we will let d, which is equal to x squared. Gawin natin para ma-reduce to x to the second power. We will let d is equal to x squared. So, substituting the value of d to this equation, therefore, this one will become d squared minus 324d plus 7475.33 which is equal to 0. Now, dito sa equation na to, makuha natin yung value ng a, b, and c para sa equation na to, sa quadratic formula. Sorry, quadratic formula. So, ang a natin dito, the coefficient is 1, b is minus 324, and c is equal to positive 7475.33. Therefore, substituting all these values to this equation will result to d is equal to 299. So, balik tayo dito na we let d is equal to x squared. So, nakuha na natin ang d, which is equal to 2999. Substituting the value of d, x therefore is equal to 17.29 cm. So, here it is. Nakuha na natin ang side ng x, ang value ng x. Yun yung sa right triangle. So, we have to solve. Dahil meron na tayong value ng x na solve na natin, balik tayo sa pag-solve ng y. From this equation, yung una nating nakuha na value ng y, which is equal to 86.46 over x, so the value, substituting the value of x, which is 17.29, and Up is 86.46. So y therefore is equal to 86.46 over 79.29 is equal to 5 centimeters. So the value of y is 5. So we solved already the sides of the right triangle, which are x is equal to 17.29 centimeter and y, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Ang dito lang tayo nahirapan dito sa ano na to, sa equation na to, kasi it's raised to the 4th power. So, as we said, hindi naman natin yan madalit gamitin ng quadratic formula. So, we reduce it to the 2nd power by letting a variable equal to x squared.